Java tutoriallearn for beginners. 1. Introduction to Java. Java is a widely used, object-oriented programming language that was developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle Corporation, in the mid-1990s. It was designed to be platform-independent, robust, and secure. Java programs are compiled into bytecode, which can be executed on any computer with a Java Virtual Machine, JVM, making Java a write once, run anywhere language. Key features of Java include 1. Object-oriented programming, OOP. Java is based on the principles of OOP, which allow developers to model real-world entities as objects. 1. It supports concepts such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. 2. Platform independence. Java programs are compiled into bytecode, which can run on any platform with a compatible JVM. 2. This makes Java highly portable and eliminates the need for recompiling code for different operating systems. 3. Garbage collection. Java manages memory automatically through a garbage collector. 3. It frees developers from manual memory management, reducing the risk of memory leaks and making Java programs more robust. 4. Strong standard library. Java comes with a comprehensive set of class libraries, known as the Java Standard Library, Java API. 4. It provides ready-to-use classes and methods for various tasks, such as input-output operations, networking, data structures, and much more. 5. Security. Java has built-in security features, such as a security manager and a sandbox environment, which help prevent unauthorized access and protect against malicious code execution. 6. Multi-threading. Java supports concurrent programming with multi-threading. 6. This enables developers to write programs that can perform multiple tasks concurrently, improving efficiency and responsiveness. 7. Large community and ecosystem. Java has a vast and active community of developers, which means there are numerous resources, libraries, frameworks, and tools available to aid in Java development. Java is commonly used for a wide range of applications, including desktop applications, web development, mobile app development, Android, enterprise software, scientific computing, and more. It is known for its scalability, reliability, and performance. To start programming in Java, you need to set up a Java Development Kit, JDK, which includes the Java compiler and other tools. You can write Java code in a text editor or use integrated development environments, IDEs, such as Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, or NetBeans, which provide features like code completion, debugging, and project management. Advantages of Java. 1. Platform independence. Java's write once, run anywhere principle allows Java programs to be executed on any platform with a compatible Java Virtual Machine, JVM. 1. This platform independence makes Java highly portable and versatile. 2. Object-oriented programming, OOP. Java is based on OOP principles, making it easier to design and organize code. 2. OOP promotes code reuse, modularity, and extensibility, leading to more maintainable and scalable applications. 3. Robust and secure. Java is known for its robustness and built-in security features. 3. It enforces strict compile time checks, exception handling, and automatic memory management through garbage collection. 3. Java's security manager and sandbox environment help prevent unauthorized access and protect against malicious code execution. 4. Rich standard library. Java provides a vast collection of classes and APIs in its standard library, Java API. 4. This comprehensive library offers ready-to-use components for common tasks like I/O operations, networking, data structures, and more, reducing development time and effort. 5. Large community and ecosystem. Java has a thriving and active community of developers worldwide. 5. This community contributes to a wide range of libraries, frameworks, and tools, making it easier to find support, documentation, and resources for Java development. Disadvantages of Java. 1. Performance. While Java offers good performance for many applications, it may not be as efficient as lower-level languages like C or C++. 1. Java's automatic memory management and bytecode interpretation introduce some overhead, which can affect performance in certain scenarios. 1. However, with advancements in JVM technology, Java's performance has significantly improved. 2. Learning curve. Java has a more complex syntax compared to some other languages, which can make it initially challenging for beginners to grasp. 2. Understanding advanced concepts of OOP, multi-threading, and Java-specific frameworks may require additional time and effort to master. 3. Memory consumption. Java's automatic memory management through garbage collection can lead to higher memory consumption compared to languages with manual memory management. 3. Although garbage collection improves developer productivity, it may introduce some overhead in terms of memory usage. 4. Limited hardware access. Java's platform independence comes with a trade-off. It restricts direct hardware access and may not be suitable for certain system-level programming tasks or real-time applications that demand low-level control. 5. Execution speed. While Java's performance has improved over the years, it may still be slower in terms of execution speed compared to languages that compile directly to machine code. 5. However, this gap has been reduced through just-in-time (JIT) compilation and runtime optimizations.